Hi my fashionistas, it's Alyssa, the stylist. As you guys know, I've had pink in my hair before and it's all faded now and it's just left with the blonde, which is perfect because I just recently brought from the supermarket this and I wanted to see if it came out as blue as it says. Of course, it's going to be doing it on the blonde bits, and I also still have a little bit of pink left from when I had pink hair, so I'm going to try and do blue pink blended ombre sort of color. Okay, so let's get dyeing. And this is the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love the two colors together. I think it looks a little bit funky. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, all that good YouTubery stuff, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. See ya.